Buon tardi. Buon tardi. Say it again. Bumili, welcome to our celebration, our 10th-year celebration. It is an honor to have you all present here that have been part of our 10-year anniversary. Mr. Cooper, Bumili, Gusir, it will be a very nice evening. I will keep it very short for you to enjoy the night. Later on, you will be enjoying our fabulous fountain show and also something new for Curaçao as a hotel. We have our own laser show as well. Yeah, so you will be enjoying all of this in a short while. I'm very proud to be standing here again, representing ACOYA, and I will be showing you as well some new projects we will be introducing, and I'm very happy. I cannot stop saying that I'm happy to be here. It has been 11 years for me, so I've been here from the beginning. It's like your child, you see him grow, and this is what ACOYA has become with your support. And for this part, I will have a video for you to see on the screens how ACOYA was and what it has become today. Yeah, so take a look. Okay, You enjoy the video? Yes? Wow. You enjoy the video? Ah, okay. That's how I like to hear. This, what you've seen to what we've reached, could have not been possible without the team. Yeah, the team of ACOYA. I have here our head of departments, which I want to call forward, starting with Carlo Fidanchi and Tamir, who is his right hand. Carlo Fidanchi, un applauso. Carlo Fidanchi is our maintenance manager, and together with Tamir, they are the ones that make sure that our units and the whole property is in good condition. So, Carlo, Tamir, Fidanchi, vamos a esfuerzo, para que no? Sí. Then I would like to call Michael Rodriguez. Michael Rodriguez is our F&B director. Michael Rodriguez is in charge of everything that has to do with our restaurants. It's the kitchen restaurant, which we have as our breakfast restaurant, and La Lagoon, that's behind you, which is, we have it for lunch and dinner, and our bar is there every night. We have entertainment, we have special themed nights, so Michael and his team is in charge of that part. Then we have, let me see, Mina. We have Mina Hemnani, who is our finance manager and HR manager. So she is the Plaka Plaka woman. Yeah, so every day I need to hear about Plaka Plaka. So Mina is also a big part of the company. I have as well Nancy Rodriguez Pereira, who is our spa manager of our ACOYA Spa and Wellness. Applause for Nancy. I have as well Shadira, but Shadira is busy with welcoming the people. Oh no, Shadira is here. Shadira is in charge of the events. So all the event rooms we have, and their space as well, that we rent for special occasions. Shadira and Tina is also standing there, are in charge of that part. I have Jurite as well. Jurite, I saw Jurite. So Jurite is busy. Okay. So I have Jurite as well. Jurite is in charge of reservations in the front office. She will come later on. This is the team, as a matter of fact. We mentioned Gabriela Marta, who is in charge of the housekeeping department. But with these people here, we form the ACOYA team. And very important, very, very important, not to forget to mention, we have Mr. Mahesh Daswani and Mrs. Rekha Daswani. Please come forward. He doesn't like the spotlight, but today is yours. So please come forward. Mr. Mahesh Daswani, the owner of ACOYA, together with Mrs. Rekha. And we have Sunil in the back, who is the son of Mrs. Rekha and Mr. Daswani. From us, Mr. Mahesh, thank you.
Oh yeah.
For giving me these 11 years to be part of ACOYA, for being part of your family, and also the trust and believing in this entire team and also our employees. Yeah, so thank you.
Let me just see. Welcome to everybody, and it's a pleasure having you all here. And have a great evening today. And thanks again for coming, Mr. Cooper. Thank you very much. All the best.
Yes. So, and with this said, having Mr. Mahesh here, again, it is very good for you to know that Mr. Mahesh believes in his team completely, and also he believes in Curaçao. With this said, I will show you two projects that we have coming up. One which is Metro Residences, which has 96 apartments in total, fully equipped. This will be at Kaya Andrew Jones, that's Scalpwake. And we will have as well the Blue Ocean Residences. That will be Blue Ocean Pearl Resort, which will be at Piscatera, which will have a total of 484 units with the largest marina in the Caribbean, right?
That's right, yes.
With the largest in the southern Caribbean, to be more specific, which will have our 120 spots for all type of yachts and mega yachts. So this is a big thing that we have coming up. And again, thank you, Mrs. Aswani, for believing in Curaçao and believing in us. Sunil? Yes, so this shows you the commitment that we have with our Duji Curaçao, and we look forward to many more 10 years of ACOYA, and also when these other projects are realized, you can count on us. It will be also a lot more jobs for our local people, so we believe in that process. I would like to recognize the presence of Miss Supranational, Miss Chanel de Lau. Un applauso. That just arrived. It's an honor to have you again. Okay, the night continues. We have Mr. Yuyu Herrera that will perform some songs, and later on the night I have some more surprises for you. So enjoy the night. Thank you for being here. We all are here. You have questions, you need information, we are here. I'm big, I don't bite. Yes? Okay, enjoy.
Cada vez que me descuido, como un cazador furtivo me persigue por toda esta soledad. Cuando creo que por fin ya te he olvidado y que voy a enamorarme, aparece tu recuerdo de la nada y no soy nadie. Que alguien me diga cómo se olvida, cómo se arranca ilusión que me lo diga. Eso, muchas gracias.
Sí, tú solo. Sí,